Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix AirPods Pro pop-up not showing. So in order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there might be different reasons why the issue might have occurred. So the very first step is charging your AirPods. The first attempt to fix the AirPod pop-up not showing is to check your AirPods battery. Generally, your AirPod Pro can get up to 6 hours of listening time, and if that's not the case, you could also try cleaning your AirPods. So sometimes earwax, dust or dirt can be piled up to your AirPods charging case and causing the AirPods pop not working. If that's not the case, you could also try turning off Bluetooth off and on and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Despite of that, you want to actually try to reset the AirPods. For that, put your AirPods back in the charging case and open the case lid. After which, go to settings on your mobile device and tap on Bluetooth and click on the I button, which refers to your AirPods, and then select forgot. Once you click on that, it should be able to fix the issue. After which, you could also try resetting all the settings. For that, you simply want to go to settings, click on general, click on transfer and reset iPhone, and once you do it, so from the pop-up, click on reset all settings. That should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.